Today we're going to talk about topic sentences. Topic sentences talk about your topic. They talk about what your whole story or your whole paragraph is about. Sometimes you might have a topic sentence that describes how you are feeling. Sometimes it might be a topic sentence that involves a number of something. And other times you might be providing a fact. Let's give you some examples. So, for example, I might start here with how something makes me feel. Thanksgiving makes me feel happy. Or I could say, I enjoy Thanksgiving. If I start my sentences out with one of these two ways, that's going to have a paragraph or a story all about what I like about Thanksgiving. However, if I start out with a topic sentence that gives you a number, I might say we picked some Thanksgiving traditions, or our class chose a few Thanksgiving traditions. Some, a few, many, those are numbers of something. So I might be giving you some examples of these in my story. Or I could start with a fact. It's a fact. People celebrate Thanksgiving. And then I could explain how they celebrate Thanksgiving or what exactly people do. Remember, feeling, number, or fact. Let's go to another example. So first we have to figure out, what is my topic? What am I really talking about? Maybe I have a sentence that deals with trees. Maybe another sentence about lights. Maybe another sentence about ornaments. Is my topic trees? Nope. If I'm talking about just trees, that would only be this one. I need a sentence that's going to include all three of my details or all three of my pictures. So let me try again. Maybe my topic is about Christmas trees. Do Christmas trees have the tree part? Sure they do. Lights? Many do. Ornaments? Yeah, many do as well. So that time, my topic is Christmas trees, not just Christmas. Now I need to make a full sentence. So let me go to my next idea. Maybe I want to do a feeling. How do I feel about Christmas trees? My family loves Christmas trees. My family enjoys Christmas trees. Maybe my family dislikes Christmas trees, depending on how you feel. Now a number. There are some ways to decorate a tree. There are a few ways to decorate a tree. There are many ways to decorate a tree. Or I could do a fact. Some people decorate trees. That's something that is a fact. It's something that is true. If I talk about that, I would explain about them, how they decorate their trees or what they're doing. If I say there's many ways to decorate a tree, I would explain about different kinds. If I say my family enjoys Christmas trees, I would explain why they enjoy Christmas trees. My topic sentence is kind of like the driver. It depends on where you're going to go in your story. Just like the driver can control the car, you can control your story based on your topic sentence.